Welcome back to Academia Barilla. The ingredient of the month is strawberry, and I'm going to show you how to prepare an easy and very tasty dessert that would be a strawberry mousse with the traditional balsamic vinegar of Modena. For this recipe I need strawberries, fresh cream, icing sugar, mint, traditional balsamic vinegar of Modena, and gelatin. We start cleaning the strawberries. We cut off the top part, we cut them in half and put them straight in the blender. For 6 serve, we need 1 pound of fresh strawberries. These strawberries are really ripe, so I don't need to add any sugar. Next step is soak the gelatin in cold water. This is nearly 1 ounce of gelatin for 1.3 liter of mixture. While the gelatin is soaking, we heat up part of the strawberry mixture, 1/3, and when it's simmering, we take out from the stove and add the gelatin. When the gelatin has completely melted, we can add the rest of the puree. Now the strawberry mixture with the gelatin needs to cool down, so we can whip the cream. We need 750 milliliters for 1 pound of strawberries. The cream has to be whipped until soft peaks form, and when it's nearly done, you can add 3 ounces of icing sugar. When the cream is whipped completely, we can fold it into the puree, a little at the time. We have to do this very gently and until all the cream has completely melted in the puree. Now we put the mixture in this single serve mold. The mousse needs to rest in the fridge for at least 3 hours, so you can prepare it up to 1 day in advance. Now the mousse is ready to be served. To unmold it, you go with a knife all around, and to make it easy, you can warm it up with your hands or put in lukewarm water for a few seconds. Then unmold on the plate. Fresh strawberries, mint, and traditional balsamic vinegar of Modena. This one is the 25 years old. I hope you will enjoy this mousse, and I'll see you next time.